Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Mishaps happens. Fear not, as we guide you through the restoration process from a backup. Safeguard your content and configuration, ensuring you're always ready to bounce back. So, guys, let's get your WordPress data back and let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, losing all of your WordPress data can be really tough, specifically if you accidentally have done it. So sometimes you do be having some kind of plugins that could be really helping you out to actually remove some kind of data from your website that you will not be needing, but sometimes you forget about unchecking that little box that says remove all. Well, with this tool that I'm going to show you in this specific video, you will fear nothing no more. You will have every single thing that you will need to actually save backup daily, so you will never lose content from your website. So the first thing to do, guys, is to simply head up to your dashboard. Go and click on plugins, and we need to install one plugin that's gonna be the most important plugin that exists in WordPress at the moment, which is called WP Migrate. So, or you can simply just search on all-in-one. Here we go. Migration, yeah, it is all-in-one WP Migration. So this plugin, guys, let's just read it and look what it does. So this is basically a plugin, so ready to migrate your website. It's fast and easy. Install all-in-one WP migration plugin. Hit the export button to bundle your database media files, plugins, and themes into one TD file. Unpack the file at the new location with an easy-to-use drag and drop feature in the WordPress dashboard of your new website. So this is basically the features that you have. So supports custom uploads, plugin, theme, folders, and more. Available in over 50 language translation, including Japanese. Accessible for individuals with disabilities, and no limitations on host or operation system. Supports a vast range of hosting providers, a long list of premium extensions that gives you the power to do more. Mobile device compatible, intelligent and flawless auto replacements of website URL during imports, full product support, browse WordPress files online with Tracker Web, extract WordPress files on your computer with Tracker Desktop, and a lot of more. So using this tool, guys, you will be basically, if you didn't understand anything from what has been said here, you can simply import and export. What does it mean? You can make backup of your website, or you can import that backup inside your website back, so you can have everything that you have maybe deleted or lost back to your own website. So how to start using it? Simply just click on install now by clicking on this button right through here, and now simply all we need to do is to wait a little bit. So what we're gonna do is to wait a couple minutes or seconds until it is fully downloaded. So let's click here, click on activate, and as you can see, it should be activated just like that. So now what you should do is to simply head up to all-in-one WP migration from here, and simply just choose whether you want export or import. So for the exports, that mean basically that every single file that exists on your site is going to be saved on your PC or any kind of website that you want. So here they have a variation of files that maybe you would like to have your files saved into. For example, there is FTP, there is Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, Backblaze B2, OneDrive, RDX or Box, Mega, DigitalOcean, Google Cloud, Azure Storage, Amazon Galaxy, PC Cloud, WebDAV, and S3 clients. Or you can simply just export it as a file and save your time. So you can simply just click here, and as you can see, it will be exporting to your PC as a file. depending on the files that you have on your PC or on your website. That's what I mean, on your website. It can take a lot of time. So for me, I had deleted everything such as posts, media pages, and comments before I started this video, as you can see right through here. So I have nothing in this website. That's why it's maybe a little bit fast. But for you guys, just having at least dozens or hundreds of blogs, that can actually take much more time. And as you can see, the size of my website that has nothing but this only plugin that we have downloaded today, which is all-in-one WP migration, 0 comments, 0 users, 0 pages, 0 media, and 0 posts, comes out with 60 megabytes. So yeah, your websites can actually go for over 1 gigabyte if you do have that much of files in your database. So put that in mind. Now all you need to do is to download the file. And now let's say that a few days later you come up with an idea to do something in your website, you added a new plugin, and hey, let's say yeah, you lost everything. That plugin was not really good. It ruins your design, it ruins your website, it really doesn't match with your vibe. And even when you delete the plugin or the thing that you have added, well, it's done what it's done, so you can't go back. Basically what you could do is use the imports function, which is gonna be simply importing what you have lost. So the files that you have exported, you can simply go ahead and import it now, either from the same basically like section that I have shown you: file, URL, FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. So here, just put in mind, guys, that with the free version you will get a file size, a maximum file size upload that comes up to 40 megabytes. In case you would like to have more, well, you have to increase the maximum upload file size by going to their websites and paying some money for them. So this is like their website, and get started. And this is the price, so it's gonna be $6 per month, so it's gonna be annually, and you will have like remove upload limit, use on any number of websites that you own, restore backup from server, WP CLI commands included, and premium support. So these are the features that you're gonna get by having it in the premium version. Of course, you can simply just go for backups and creates a backup that will stay in here as long as you do not delete the plugin. And even if you delete the plugin and reinstall it, you will still find them. For example, here I have this backup that has been made 1 month ago, so this is very useful. Here you can find scheduled, so with that you can enable this feature, which will allow you to actually make scheduled like backups, so they can be monthly, hourly, weekly backup, so you never have to do it manually. And yeah, guys, this is basically it. This is it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.